And number 11 is a word problem we have to solve. Josie pours 1/3 of a cup of vinegar into a mixing bowl. She adds 3/4 of a cup of water. How much liquid is in the bowl? So here's our bowl. She first puts in 1/3 of a cup, and then she puts in 3/4 of a cup. How much does she have? Well, in this case, looks like we're adding one and then we're adding another. So that means we are adding our fractions together. So that's 1/3 plus 3/4. And remember, anytime we add fractions, we can't just add them. We have to find a common denominator. So what is a common denominator or a common multiple of 3 and 4? Well, I'm going to go with 12 because I know that 3 times 4 gives me 12. So I want to have 12 in the bottom for both of these numbers. Now I can't just magic that up. I don't have any magical unicorns to make that happen. So what I'm going to do is I know that if I want 12 in the bottom, I have to multiply that 3 by a 4. 4 times 3 will give me 12. But if I multiply the bottom by something, I also have to multiply the top by that number. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, and I haven't changed my fraction at all because all I've done is multiplied my fraction by 4 over 4. And 4 over 4 is the same as 1. And 1 times any number is just itself. So I'm perfectly okay to do this. This is just fine. I'm going to do the other part in red to keep it separate. Now 4 times 3 gives me 12. I want 12 over here, so 4 times 3 will give me 12. That means if I multiply the bottom by 3, I have to multiply the top by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So now I've got the same fraction. This fraction, 1/3, is the same as 4/12. And this fraction, 3/4, is the same as 9/12. Now I'm just going to add them together. 4 plus 9 is 13. And I'm going to put that over 12. I have one more step. I've got to simplify. I see this is an improper fraction. To be the correct answer, it really needs to be converted to a mixed number. This doesn't tell me a whole lot. This is a little confusing when I have an improper fraction. So I'm going to go ahead and convert it to a mixed number. 12 goes into 13 one time with 1 left over. So I'm going to put that left over on the top, and I'm going to keep the bottom number to get 1 and 1/12. That's the end.